Oh my. Snoring babies are the best.
Gaming and baby holding. What does that shirt say?
What's going on there? She's like, guys, I want to show you this real quick. It says I pooed. Isn't that so cute? I think that's so cute. This is a very appropriate shirt for this time and place right now. Guess it's my turn, huh, Mommy? Come on, dear. Let's go. Come on. Let me set you down. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, you feel nice and warm and squishy and wet. Oh, what a wonderful feeling that is. Oh, what a wonderful feeling indeed. Wish me luck, sweetie. Okay. Gotta change her. You are a poopy, smelly girl. Poopy, poopy, smelly girl. Okay. Alright, little girl. Let's set you down. Whew. You smell like a garbage truck. Oh, told you, leg, girl. Yes! No more poopy girl.
What does Michelle wash the floor with?
What?
What does she wash the floor? We're gonna wipe that off.
Vinegar and water, I think.
Huh?
Vinegar and water, I think.
Okay.
I want to thank my mom for helping.
Housemaid.
But we don't pay you.
That's right.
We pay you in
That's
loving
calling.
kisses and
There
hugs,
you go.
right?
That's good enough.
And every little bit of work she gets to do, that equates to 5 minutes of holding our child. So,
I have to
so,
work in
so
order
the
to
more
hold
the
your
merrier.
child?
Yeah.
Oh, gee.
She has been helping us selflessly. That's the word. Selflessly.
What do we do?
She even did all of this.
Okay, Justin.
Yes. Okay,
Bye.
go ahead and do some work so you can hold our kid. Remember when we came home and we walked like this way and we were like, oh, she did all of this. She cleaned our bathroom, our house. She brought us dinner. Fantastic. Thank you, Mom. Look at her. Working out those legs. Work it, girl. Work it. Work it, girl. Work it. Work it. Work it. What is that face for? What is that face for? Does anybody want a cat? Seriously? So what do you think of your backyard, Missy?
She says, that's noisy.
La 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 la! Ah, noisy! It's all in here!
Oh, you're waking her up.
This kitty right there, the kitty that was attacking the camera, thinks that my leg is a scratch post.
It totally is.
Yeah, there's nothing back there. Let's see what happens if I throw this. Okay, what's gonna happen if I throw this ball right between the two? Ready? I was actually surprised that they went after it instead of like running away.
Running away.
Okay. Michelle and I wanted to thank all of you for the thoughts and prayers and everything for this little thing right here, this little pooper. We've had quite a few comments asking what her name is. Sorry, it's just such a cute distraction. and we're not going to give her name out to the internet. So we thought that maybe we would like ask you guys. We'll put in the description of this video, we'll do 3 possible stage names for this little one, and you guys pick out which one in the comments below. You can, or video response, whatever you guys want. You can just say 1, 2, or 3, or say the name. Is that cool, Michelle? What do you think?
That's cool.
Okay.
But I'm pretty partial to Sprout.
To Sprout.
Because there is really such a thing as broccoli sprouts. They're kind of like bean sprouts.
When there aren't Brussels sprouts?
No, not like Brussels sprouts. Well, I mean, there's Brussels sprouts too. But you know, like bean sprouts, there's also broccoli sprouts.
Hi, sweetie. Are you ready for your first bath? Are you all ready? Yeah?
She's like, what's going on here? Guys? I don't like this. Come on, what's going on?
Oh. We have a little ducky to make sure that the water isn't too hot.
Too hot.
Hot. Uh-oh.
What should the temperature be?
I think it's supposed to be less than 103.
That seems really hot, doesn't it?
Well, your body temperature is 98.6, so hopefully it's warmer than that.
That's true.
Right? Yeah? You're so cute.
Please don't pee on me. You are completely naked right now, and I would rather not have urine stains on my shorts.
Look how cute.
Bathing
Cutie.
Oh.
Thanks, Jenna and Jason and Taylor.
Yay. Okay, here we go.
Oh, can I have the pour thing?
The poor thing? Oh, yeah.
It's up
Where's it
there.
at?
On the right.
On the right? Oh, it's the left.
The farthest right.
Farthest right. Ooh, yeah, guys, this thing is really cool. It is made by Munchkin, and it's actually a pouring thing, but it's flexible.
Can you pour this into my hand?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. There we go. That's good. That's good. Nice. I want to wrap that better.
Wow. That was something, wasn't it? It's Bridget Simmons! Click it. Come on. Here. Neck. It. Mouse. Click. Clickety click.